Welcome. Today in front of me I have the FIMI X8 Mini drone, and in this video I will show how you can set this bad boy up and pretty much prepare it for flying. So when you have unboxed your drone and you've taken everything out, we can, begin initializing or starting this little device. Just make sure to take out not only the aircraft and the remote controller, but also the phone appropriate connection cable, which you will use to connect your smartphone to the remote controller to see the live camera feed and to control the drone and its mobile app interface. Now what I want you to do is to launch the Google Play Store if you own an Android phone, or App Store if you are an iPhone or an iOS user, and look for the FIMI Navi Mini app. Or you can scan this QR code here. Let's wait for the camera to focus. Pause the video if you need to, and install the app directly from the FIMI website. Anyway, install the app. And while this procedure is being performed, let's assemble everything and unfold everything that needs to be unfolded. So on the remote controller, start by straightening the antennas like that. Then underneath or at the bottom part of your remote controller, you'll find the control sticks, which you need to screw into their respective balls or spheres. Simply screw them in clockwise, and they should pop right into their designated place. Now when it comes to preparing the drone, you need to begin by removing the gimbal or camera protector like that. Just give me a sec here. So take it out and leave it be somewhere. Now also it is good time to unfold the drone's legs, starting with front legs. If you'll start with back the back legs, you will not be able to unfold it all the way. Now once the app is installed, I want you to take the connection cable, plug it into your phone like that. Or actually, this phone of mine requires the micro USB cable, not the Type-C, so give me a little second here, a short pause. I will quickly take out another cable which comes alongside the drone itself, so you shouldn't worry. Yep, so here is my micro USB cable. Now I can plug it in inside the phone like that. And actually the position and the orientation of this cable is not optimal, but I think it should work still, since we need to orient the cable in order to fit the phone into this remote controller. We need to orient it, the remote controller part down, but I guess I can work with that. So now let's mount the phone here. So the remote controller is retractable, so simply retract it or push your phone in like that. So this should do. And now plug the other end of the cable into here to connect your phone and remote controller. Now you can go ahead and launch the FIMI Navi Mini app. Agree on all the terms. Here the region we reside in is Poland. Here you can sign up for the FIMI account or log into an existing one, or you can use this drone without an account, which I will go with. Now it is time to power on both the remote controller and the drone itself. Keep in mind that both the aircraft and the RC are pre-paired from the factory, so you will not need to do any pairing here, just power them on. So in order to do that, press the power key once and then press it again and hold. So 1 and 2. The remote controller is powered on or switched on, and the same goes for the drone. So on its belly underneath the drone, you have the power button, so click it once, then click it the second time and hold it. So the drone is switched on also. Here on your phone you should receive a notification like that. So follow it up, press enter device, follow all the setup steps here, grant the app with all its essential and important to function properly permissions and accesses. Here, let's enter the device real quick. You'll see the new user guide here. So if you are a new user and overall new to flying drones or new to flying this particular drone, I guess it will be useful for you to read those instructions and learn those guides. And now we can enter the camera view. As you can see, everything works perfectly. The camera feed is showing. Here I can download the firmware, but I will do that a little later. Anyway, so everything is set up. As you can see, the remote controller works properly. So now all that is left to do is to, well, take off. So as far as the setup goes, that'll be it, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and I guess I'll see you around. Bye-bye.